Hi guys, let us understand today now how to use load methods from the session. So I'll just create a new project again here, Java project, and I'll say load item using Hibernate. Say here next and finish. Create a package here, new package com.example, finish. I'm copying this item.java and these three files, that manager and item.html and item.java. So I just say copy and paste it here. So it has been pasted. It's giving error. I'll take care of that. Now we'll say right click here and then go to the my clips and say here add Hibernate capabilities. Check this version. Next. Next. Select your the drivers for MySQL that we have created. And what is the package? So com.example and finish it. Okay. So yeah, we'll see the next here what the error is gone. If you can see here, this is my manager file, main file. So I'll doing everything the same. The only difference is here that if I have one item, so instead of doing this whole stuff, I can write here I'm just deleting this part here and I will say here item. I'll just take here item I I1 equal to what is the session object? I have a sesh, right? Dot load. So look at here, we can pass inside the load several arguments we can pass here. So we can pass a string, we can pass class here, and then we can pass a serializable argument one, like that, right? Return type is object, return type is a void, all it depends. So I say load here, and what is the class I have? So that is a item dot class. Which value you are looking? Let us say I want the value 1, okay, or 2. The second row I want. So I'll pass here 2. uh, I'll pass here 2 and then semicolon. So this guy is returning me object. You are trapping an item, so you have to typecast item type. There we will go. So we have got the record here, okay, and then we can print here. We are not using transaction here, so I just say here sys odd dot print line. Sorry, and I'll say here I1 dot get item ID. Sysort I1 dot get item name. Sorry, dot get item name, right? Yeah, and then sysort I1 dot get quantity. So we have done now. So here I can say loading items from session, right? From session object. So this will give me the second record. I think I1 we have taken here. So this is not required here. I'll just comment this one. So I think error should go from here now. Yeah, it is gone. So this example I took earlier, now this time we are using item here itself. Otherwise, if you are taking here, you could have removed this item from here and it works fine. So let us try to run this now. I'll just say save and then right click and say run as Java application. It is giving error. I'll see what is that. It's saying unknown int. What exactly the problem? If you open this Hibernate CFG file, the Hibernate configuration which we have added, here we are not adding the what HBM file, right? So we have to add now. So source, go to here and then example, then this is my HBM file that you have to add here. And here if you're looking for the HBM to DLL, then right here update. Okay, if we insert any record, it will use. And if I say here so SQL and I can write here true. Okay, so this part was missing. Because of this, it was not recognizing our entity. So we'll close now. We'll close this one also. Now we'll run this code again. I'll say run as Java application. So what you notice here, the item ID is displaying first, right? And then the select query has been fired, and then it is retrieving the points and 30, the item name and quantity, right? If you notice here. So I hope you understood this, how to load a class for a specific rows. I mean how to display a record, one record. So we have used here load method. Earlier we are using save method for inserting records and all, or updating records. Here we are using load method. So I hope you understood this code now. Okay, that's all.